Well, good morning. You know, we're tracking sunrise and sunset times because the time change on the way tonight will make a big difference in terms of our evenings and our mornings. So before you go to bed, do not forget to set that clock forward 1 hour tonight. So let's break down the sunrise times. You know, it actually makes it a little harder to get up in the morning. Today, the sunrise time just after 6 o'clock in the morning. Tomorrow, not until 7. So that means Brian and I will be on the air for an hour before the sun even comes up. Now, of course, there's a nice trade-off here. The sunset times, well, we like this. Today, the sunset 5:49. Tomorrow, just before 7 o'clock. That will be nice. For instance, maybe you work and get off at 5:30 or 6. Now you can kind of sneak in that late morning, or that after work jog, or maybe go to the driving range and get kind of frustrated before that sun finally sets during our evening. So a nice trade-off there with the sunrise and sunset times. 30 right now, your temperature in Smithfield, 32 Providence, 31 in Newport, and 31 in Wesley. So it's a cooler start compared to what we've been used to the past several mornings where it's been quite mild. Completely calm in Smithfield, calm in Taunton. Newport, you're at 3 miles an hour. But right here along the coast, you will notice those winds picking up by, say, just before lunchtime into the afternoon. And that will have an effect on our temperatures down in Newport for the parade, which we'll talk about in just a second. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12, not showing any precipitation. We have 34 degrees coming in from the Pinpoint Weather Network in Coventry and sitting at 30 in Seekonk. A gorgeous view here from Oakland Beach and a lot of blue sky over the hurricane barrier. Certainly sunglasses and jackets required for this morning. A strip of clouds moving in from the west, but we're not going to see a whole lot in the way of cloud cover this weekend. Eventually, we get the clouds and the rain as a couple systems sort of join together and spin a low pressure, which will suck in some cooler breezes from the northeast and some precipitation, but nowhere close to the amount of rain that they've been dealing with along the Gulf Coast in Louisiana, Texas, some spots. 1 foot of rain over the past couple days. At least we don't get that. Now, today, I mentioned how I was going to discuss those temperatures. You may get a high in places like Charlestown, Narragansett, Newport in the low 50s, but by the afternoon, I think we drop back into the 40s as that brisk wind from the southwest starts to pick up. So if you are heading to the parade, not only do you want the jacket handy for this morning if you're going early, but also for the afternoon as those onshore winds kick in. 58 in Burrillville, 55 in Foster, 59 in Woonsocket. So you get away from the water, and we're talking temperatures close to 60. 57 in Attleboro, Taunton at 54, 56 Seekonk. And as we get down closer to the coast, we're in the upper 40s to around 50 degrees for Westport and Dartmouth. 7-day Futurecast brings in 64 tomorrow. So on the 7-day map, they look kind of similar, but as we dig a little deeper, you could see that our coastal temperatures actually a little warmer, I think, tomorrow than they will be today because we'll have a land breeze going for a good part of the day. Showers and cooler on Monday, highs in the mid to upper 40s. You can always get an updated Futurecast over on our website at WPRI.com.
Now, Eyewitness